Now, as we celebrate 17 years together, I am filled with emotions reflecting on our journey. I see the memories of joy, hardship, tears, and triumphs. It's been a cocktail of experience that has shaped us into who we are today. Though it all, we have remained steadfast by each other's side, growing together with every challenge we have faced. I made a promise to you 17 years ago, Mahali, that I would never let go of your hand no matter what life threw our way. And today, I reaffirm that promise with all my heart. Biggs, my love for you knows no bounds. I want nothing more than to grow old with you, to continue navigating this journey of life together, hand in hand. You are my rock, my companion, and my greatest blessing.
Love here is an acronym, LOVE. I want you to remember this in your married life. LOVE. L stands for listening. So in your married life, always remember this. Love, LOVE. In your communication, listening is very important. O, you are united by God as one. The vow that you will pronounce is sacred. And E, your spouse, is extra special. Amen. Janeline, do you take Shambabu here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Shambabu, do you take Janeline here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
From today, I am accepting you as my husband to be, as my husband, because I know that above all, your love is more growing to me. And you accepted me as who I am, whatever the ups and downs we have during this all past years. From today, I will be always in your side. And since God is the one who make this one to us, I truly appreciate and I truly accepted you. I love you.